I'm Inoko Kedere, and welcome to another cryptocurrency video. Now, as you guys know already, we're talking about the Pi network, which will be listing the so long-awaited Pi coin. And of course, we are happy. We are definitely happy and positive about the whole development. But at the same time, let's not get our hopes too high. I know there's so many things all around. In the last video, you guys told me to go and read about GCV and their prediction for one Pi coin. I read everything. I hear you guys. Even me, myself, I hope you guys are 100% right. But there's a way tokenomics and cryptocurrency works. If Pi is coming to the blockchain, coming to cryptocurrency, and with you guys' claims of Pi getting that really high level, it means we're going to double the total cryptocurrency market cap. And I hope that happens because it means we will all eat very well. But at the same time, I'm still very skeptical, but I'm still hoping for the best. Now, of course, so many people out there are saying, do not sell your Pi. Some people are saying, hold your Pi. Some people are saying, sell your Pi. Do what you want to do to your Pi. And my own personal advice, which you should not listen to as well, is also Pi for us has already been locked. Okay, there's already a lock for it. So I mean, for example, in my own account, which I'm going to show you guys very, very soon, I can only sell 28 of my total Pi. I ended up mining about 590 Pi, but I can only claim 250 thereabouts. And currently, tomorrow, when the mainnet opens, I can only sell around 28 Pi. So of course, if I'm going to sell, I'm going to probably sell 50% of that, depending on what the market is looking like. If the market is maybe 1 Pi to $1, I do not see any reasons to sell anything at all because $24 is nothing. But then if at the end of the day, it is for maybe 1 Pi to, let's say, 5 or to 10, or, let's keep the dreams going. But, it depends on you personally. If you need money, you sell it. If you do not need money, you hold it. If it's very, very high, you sell it. So, but anyways, those are just my own thoughts. It is not financial advice. Just do what you want to do. You mind your Pi alone. Don't let anybody dictate how you should sell or how you should not sell. Now, I'll be talking about two major exchanges, which will be Bitget and Gate.io. I have already done my own work with them. So I have seen that it works really well with the Pi network. If you do not have those exchanges, download them right away. You've mined Pi, you should be able to get some cash for it when it comes to the open network tomorrow. So you need to either download your Bitget wallet, download your Gate.io. In fact, I think everyone at this point should have a Bitget and Gate.io wallet because these are very, very good upcoming, central exchanges. So in my opinion, everyone should be looking at downloading this one. So of course, the links will be in the description below to download Bitget and to also download Gate.io. But now let's get right into it. So of course, as you guys can see, this is my own network. This is my app on my phone. I have 559 Pi that are mine totally. Of course, you guys know this is not what I will get from it. But anyways, let's go into it. And then many of you asked questions about the transferable balance. Now, this one will be transferred again at a given point, okay, but not currently. You cannot transfer this one right now. I guess this will be, you'll be able to transfer this one day after it has listed. And of course, there's been an update to the white paper. For example, if you guys come over here, you see there's now new white paper chapters. You can read through it. It's a lot of calculations, a lot of updates, and so many things about the total supply and how much is for the community. So I think you guys should give this a good read. But anyways, let's go into sending our Pi to exchanges out there. So of course, you have to first come to your wallet, unlock your wallet either with your Face ID or you could unlock it with the passphrase. And once again, as you guys can see, our balance is 241 Pi. Available balance is 18.61 Pi. And if you guys watched my previous video, I had about 24 or 23 so far. I sent out 5 Pi already to my Gates.io wallet. And today we're just going to send another 10 to our Bitget wallet. I'm going to show you guys all the steps to do it. Okay, so we're just going to start with Gate.io. For example, all you need to do is come out to pay request. I think most of you should know this already. So you can see scan or show QR code or manually add wallet address. So that's where you want to come to. You want to come to manually add wallet address. Now you can see either pay or requests. It's only pi we can send, and all you have to do is just put the wallet address in this space over here. Of course, pi has not been asking for any memo, so we do not need any memo at all to send via Gate.io or the Bitget wallet. Now I'm just going to go to the wallet now and show you how we can find the wallet address needed to paste in this box. Guys, be very, very careful when you're looking for the wallet address, because there's been loads of scams going on right now. You have to check it manually with your own eyes, with your two koro eyes like this. Check it very well. Make sure the address you copied from the exchange is exactly what you're pasting in your Pi wallet. So first one we're going to use is Gates.io. And now, as you guys can see, this is Gate.io. I'm not going to send anything currently to the Gate.io because I already sent 5 pi to it a few days ago. But then all you have to do is come over to assets. You can either come all the way to assets or you can just go to deposits. Now, when you click on deposits, you're going to do on-chain deposits. Now we're going to click on-chain deposits, and you can see my search history is already there. Pi trending coins is pi, it's there already. But for some of you that have not searched it, all you have to do is press pi, and you can see it over here, Pi network. So basically you can see the address over here. Copy the address. Once it's copied, you also need to just keep the address in your mind, MBC, you know, and it ends with FJI. So then we go all the way back to our Pi wallet and we paste it in here. So that's it. You can even save it to contacts if you like, but there's no need for all of those ones. Then you click the amount of Pi you want to send. You can send 0.5 because the fee is only 0.01. This is another reason why I feel Pi will be very huge, because all you need is a little. You could just send a little. The fee is very, very decent. If it was not going to count at all, then maybe if you're sending 10, the fee will be like 5. That way you know, oh, it doesn't worth anything. But if sending 10 and you have to pay 0.01 pi, maybe it will be good. It's just, that is just a rough analysis. Don't take it too hard. But I mean, you get what I mean. Anyways, so we're not going to send to the Gate.io, but that is how to do it, to send to your Gate.io. Then you just press send, and then you wait a couple of minutes, and then you get it into your wallet. Now, speaking about selling the Pi, because let's assume it's already tomorrow, okay? Because you will not get this video very early tomorrow, so let's prepare beforehand. Now we are in Gates.io, and then Pi as listed, and you want to sell your Pi. All you have to do is come all the way to the search once again, then you press Pi USDT, okay? This is what you're going to do tomorrow, okay? Pi USDT. Or if you do not want to go from the search bar, come over to trade, and then instead of GOATS USDT, as you guys are saying what I'm doing here, you search Pi USDT, okay? Look at it, it's here. I've already even starred it, okay, for sakes. But currently you guys can see 10 people want to buy it at 0.3, people want to buy it at 0.1. This is pre-market. It doesn't have anything to do with the real price. It could be around here, or it could be the real deal. But anyways, to sell your Pi is already in your wallet. All you need to do is come to sell, okay? You click sell, and amount of Pi, you scroll this bar to maybe 5, and then that's all you actually need to do. So for example, if Pi is selling for 35, my 5 Pi is going to cost $175. If it's selling for 1, my 5 Pi is $5. If it's selling for 10, my 5 Pi is selling for 50. If it's selling for 314, my 5 Pi is going to sell for $1,570. So in fact, if you're very sure you can already sell it currently, you can click sell, and immediately it lists. If it's at this price, it will sell ASAP. Okay, you can even do it, you can pre-mark it, but of course you do not want to make a big mistake, because for example, let's say you go and put yours now on 3.14 and you click sell and it lists for, let's say, 50 or 31.4, you've lost your money like that. Okay, because it will take the lowest available trade currently for that your pie. So that is how to sell. I've already showed you guys what you need to do tomorrow when you want to sell your pie. When your pie is already in your wallet, is in your spot wallet, you come all the way to trade. When you come to trade, you search here pie and you can see pie USDT, and then you just go to sell and put amount you want to sell. Now this is currently 100% of my buy, or currently 50%, depending on how you want to sell, and everything will show and you just click sell. So that is how to sell and to withdraw your pie on gates.io. I hope that is self-explanatory already. Now we're going to go to the next exchange, which is Bitget. So Bitget is the next one that I think a lot of people are using to actually sell their pie. Now, one second. So once again, you go all the way to assets and you can go add funds, for example, add funds. Then you put deposit crypto, and once again, pi is already in my search history, but let's just search it once again for the sake of you guys. You click on pi and you copy the deposit address. So once you have copied that already, we go all the way back again to our Pi wallet. Now we're going to remove this gate.io one. Remember, we did not take note of what our address is. Our deposit address starts with MDF, ends with TLM. So we're going to post this right here. MDF TLM. We know that is very correct. And now we're going to send 10 pi. Actually, now I'm going to send 10 pi to my Bitget wallet. 10 pi. And then this time around, I'm going to send it, okay? So 10 pi, and then we click send. It says, you are about to send 10 pi. Do you recognize this pioneer? Yes, it is me. The fee is 0.01 pi, and I'm just going to click confirm. So it's confirming. It will also take a couple of minutes before you could sell. Now it says transfer succeeded. Please refer to the history page for the full history of transaction. So we go all the way back to my wallet. You guys can see the available balance in my wallet is now 8.6 pi. That is the available. I have 231 locked on to 2026. But anyways, now you could also check the block explorer to check the transaction, the fee, and also the hash as well, so that you do not have any problems. Now we're going to go all the way back to Bitget. I do not expect it to come that early, but then let's just go to our assets. Nothing is there here. We'll go to sports. This is if you're using Bitget. You can see there's lots of other cryptocurrencies here, but then we cannot still yet find pi because it is not come in yet. It's not come in at all. So you have to wait a couple of minutes to do this one. But now let's go to trading. Let's say it's tomorrow already and you're on your Bitget wallet. How do you trade your pi? You come all the way to trade as well as in the center, just the way it was on the center in gates.io. So this is very easy to use. And then you scroll here and then you search the trading pairs, which is pi USDT. Lots of people are searching it currently. 123k. That is crazy. And apparently here I have not marked it, so I'm just going to put it on favorite so that I will not be looking for it when I need to sell. So then you go to this as well. You go to sell. Careful not to go to buy. You go all the way to sell. And then let's say we have 10 pi, because that's what we're sending. Currently the order here is saying it is 2 USD for 1 pi. Apparently that is what it's saying here, but that is just a speculation. Okay, so once again we are selling the quantity 10. Oh, I think it has entered already, because the thing just showed me yeah, it is here already. As you guys can see, that didn't take long at all. So we could just even click trade from here directly. It brings us here. We click on sell, scroll the bar all the way to 100% and sell your part.